When you hit a drum or play any musical instrument, you're making the instrument vibrate, and it's this vibration that we hear as a sound in all the musical instruments we play.
When you think of musical instruments, you usually think of something like a piano or a banjo or something. But it is possible to make a musical instrument that isn't like any other musical instrument you ever saw before.
I'll bet you could make a very cool musical instrument, but first, let's get some practice with an instrument that you can build at home.
We're going to make a dreamed up instrument today. This black tube here is a kind of tubing that you can get in a sporting goods store. They sell it as tubing for protecting your golf clubs. This tube has some real musical possibilities. It actually makes not just a loud sound, but it's a certain note. You can take one of these tubes and make a certain note with it. And you can take another tube and cut it to a different length and make a different note with it. I've got 6 tubes here, and I'm going to make 6 notes. I can get the note G if I have a tube that's 33 3/4 inches. So the first tube is almost exactly the right note. So we're going to just leave it like that. There's the first note of our scale, G. Next note, A, is 30 inches long. I need to cut it off there. Let's see if it sounds like an A. Well, that's pretty good. C is 25 1/8 inches long. G, A, C. I'm going to do D now. 22 5/16 inches. If this is C, then D should be about this note. Let's see. E should be 19 3/4 inches. E. Pretty good. G. That's the high G, an octave above the first G we cut. It should be 16 1/2 inches. G. Here's my pattern. Good.
Try this at home.